Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add images to your Shopify menu using the free Dawn theme. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a sleek image-driven navigation bar that not only looks modern, but also helps your customers browse your store more easily. Whether you're running a fashion boutique or a gadget shop, this trick will make your menu stand out and give your shop a more professional feel. So let's dive right in and get your menu looking extra sharp. First things first, open up your Shopify dashboard and head over to the online store section. This is where all your store design magic happens, kind of like the backstage of a theater before the big show. Now, what we want to do is make sure we're working with the right theme. Click on Import Theme, which lets you bring in fresh themes if you have one downloaded. But for this tutorial, we're going to get it straight from Shopify's theme store. So visit the theme store page, then click View All to see every available theme. We're going to choose Dawn, which is Shopify's popular free theme. Select it, and then click Use Theme. This will add it to your theme library. And don't forget to publish the Dawn theme to your store once you've selected it, so all our changes will show up live. If you already have the Dawn theme, just make sure it's up to date. Next, it's time to grab the special code that allows images in your menu. I'll have a link in the description to aminshopify.notion. That's where the code is from. On that page, you'll want to pick version 15, since we're working with version 15 of the Dawn theme. This step is crucial. Using the right version of the code makes sure everything works smoothly and avoids weird glitches that can happen with mismatched code and themes. Now, copy the code in full. Make sure you don't miss any part of it. This might take a moment, but attention to detail here is key. Head back to your Shopify dashboard. Find the three dots next to your theme in the list and click Edit Code. In the search bar that pops up, enter header liquid. This is where we'll be pasting our new code. Here's a little heads up. When you click on header.liquid, select all the existing code in that file and erase it completely. Don't worry if this feels a bit nerve-wracking. Shopify always lets you revert changes if something goes wrong, so you're on solid ground. Once the file is empty, paste in the new code you copied earlier and hit save. With the new code in place, let's jump to customizing your theme. Go back to the main theme page and click Customize. In the Customization panel, scroll to the Header section. Now, this part is important. Make sure the menu type is set to Mega Menu. This layout gives you those impressive drop-down menus with images, so double-check that this is enabled. If you don't see Mega Menu as an option, refresh the page or save your changes, as sometimes it takes a moment to appear after pasting new code. You should now see a button to add an image directly to your menu. Click it, select the image you want, and watch it pop into place as part of your shop's navigation. This makes browsing your collections much more visual and engaging for your customers. After you're happy with how everything looks, hit Save to lock in your changes. And that's it. You now have an image-powered Shopify menu that'll wow your visitors and help guide them exactly where you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Drop a comment if you have any questions, or if you'd like to see more Shopify tips. And if you want even more tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.